Hello students, in the last recorded slide I have explained you the cost of preference shares. There are two types of cost of preference shares, that is cost of irredeemable preference shares and cost of redeemable preference shares. Now in the last class I have started with the cost of irredeemable preference shares. The formula to calculate the cost of irredeemable preference shares is D divided by P into 100. D refers to dividend, P refers to net proceeds. Okay, now here in this problem we will read the problem and calculate the cost of preference shares. Now irredeemable, it means when the number of years redemption year, if it is not mentioned, then it is irredeemable. You have to check the problem whether the year is mentioned. If it is not mentioned, then it is irredeemable. Okay, so we will calculate now. We will read the problem first. See, Zoomtech Limited issued convertible preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 400. So it is issued. Issued means issue price is 100 face value plus the premium of 400 rupees per share. Dividend was payable at 15%, that is 100 into 15%, you will get a dividend. The floating expenses of the share is 10% of the issue price. 10% of the issue price you have to deduct, that is issue expenses. Calculate the cost of preference shares. Now the formula to calculate is D divided by P into 100. D refers to dividend. How to calculate dividend? Dividend is 100 rupees per share face value into 10% dividend. Where is dividend rate? 15%. Yeah. 100 into 15%, you will get 15 rupees. Now P refers to issue price. Now how to calculate issue price is face value plus premium, because it is issued at premium, so premium you have to add, less floating expenses. If there is any floating expenses or issue expenses, then you have to deduct. It is 10% of issue price. Okay, so face value plus a share premium less floating expenses. What is the face value? 100 rupees plus share premium. Share premium is 400 rupees. So plus 400 minus floating expenses we have to deduct. The floating expenses is 10% of issue price. Now issue price means at what price they have issued. It is issued at a premium, face value plus premium. So the issue price will be 100 plus 400. 500 is the issue price. Okay, so 500 into 10% of this, you will get 50 rupees. So 100 plus 400, 500. 500 minus 50, you will get 450. Okay, how you got 450 is 100 rupees face value plus 400 rupees premium minus issue expenses or floating expenses, which is a 10% of issue price. At what price it is issued? 500 rupees. 100 plus 400, 500. So 500 into 10% is 50. So 100 plus 400 minus 50, you will get 450. Now 15 divided by 450 into 100, you will get 3.33. Okay, next we will go for the another problem here. Say Normal Operation Limited issued 1 lakh preference shares of a net amount of 45 lakhs. So it is total amount. For 1 lakh shares, the amount is 45 lakh. The dividend payable for these shares is 8 lakh rupees. So we got a dividend is 8 lakh rupees, because everything is in for lakhs. So you can take dividend as 8 lakh. So D is equal to 8 lakh. Then issued at 45 lakh. If there is any expenses, you have to deduct. So total issue expenses is 3 lakh. So these expenses we have to deduct. Calculate the cost of preference shares. So here they have not mentioned. So if the year is not mentioned, then it is a okay. Then it is irredeemable preference shares. So D divided by P into 100, that is 8 lakh is a dividend, divided by 45 lakh is a net amount issue price, minus 3 lakh is a issue expenses. So 45 minus 3 lakh you have to take. So 8 lakh See, 8 lakh, 45 lakh minus 3 lakh, it is 42 lakh. 8 lakh divided by 42 lakh into 100, you will get 19.05%. Okay, 19.05%. It is 8 lakh is a dividend which is already given here. 45 lakh is a issue price. If there is expenses, you have to deduct. It is 3 lakh expenses. So 45 minus 3 lakh, 42 lakh. So divide and multiply by 100, it is 19.05%. Okay. Now the next, as I have explained you, there are two types of preference shares here, redeemable and irredeemable. Irredeemable, say these two problems, year of redemption is not mentioned. That is, after 5 years it will be redeemed, or after 2 years it will be redeemed. It is not given. So when it is not given, it is irredeemable. If the year is mentioned, then it is redeemable. Okay. Now see the next concept or the next type we will see, cost of redeemable preference shares. If in any problem mentions the date of redemption, they are assumed to be redeemable. If not, they are irredeemable. Yes. So if the year is mentioned, then it is redeemable. If the year is not mentioned, then it is irredeemable. Okay. Now the formula to calculate redeemable preference share is D plus R minus P divided by N, the whole divided by R plus P divided by 2. Okay. Now D refers to dividend, R refers to redemption, how they are going to redeem it, repay it. It will be redeemed at a discount or premium, etc. Issue price, P refers to issue price, and refers to number of years. Okay. So now we will go through the first problem under cost of preference shares, that is the redeemable preference shares. I'll read the problem. A company issues 10,000 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each, redeemable after 10 years at a premium. So the redemption is given. How many years they will take? 10 years to redeem at a premium. So redemption will be at a premium. Okay. The cost of issue is 2 per share. So issued will be at a issue expenses. Cost of issue is issue expenses is rupees 2 per share. Calculate the cost. Okay. So once the year is mentioned, then it is redeemable preference shares. So now the formula to calculate redeemable preference shares is Kp is equal to D plus R minus P divided by N, the whole divided by R plus P divided by 2 into 100. This is a formula to calculate cost of preference shares. Okay, cost of preference shares formula. Now D is what? D refers to dividend per share. Is nothing but the face value into 10% dividend rate. So D is equal to 100 into 10% rupees 10. R is equal to redemption. Now how they are going to redeem? If you check the problem, it will be redeemed, redeemable after 10 years at a premium. So premium of 5%, that is you have to add now 100 plus 100 into 5%, you will get 5. 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. Okay, P refers to issue price. Issue, if they have not mentioned, it is at face value. Okay, if discount is there, then deduct the discount. Premium, if it is there, add the premium. Okay, and one thing is issue expenses, if it is there, then you have to deduct. Okay, so issue price is here, face value minus issue expenses, because issue expenses is mentioned in the problem. Cost of issue is rupees 2 per share, so that you have to deduct from the issue price. Okay, so 100 minus 2, 98. Now use the formula. Kp is equal to 10 dividend plus 105 minus 90 divided by 10. The whole divided by 105 plus 90 divided by 2 into 100. Now how to calculate is, write 10 here, plus you write down, then minus this 105 minus 98, you will get 7. 7 divided by 10, you will get 0.7. The whole divided by 105 plus 98 divided by 2. You have to add this 2. Divided by 2, you will get 101.5. Okay. 101.5 into 100. So 10.7. 10.7 divided by 101.5 into 100, you will get 10.54%. Okay, so this is cost of preference shares when the year of redemption is mentioned in the problem. When the year of redemption is mentioned in the problem, you have to follow this formula and calculate the cost of preference shares. Okay, any doubts you can clarify. Okay, this is a second type under cost of preference shares. Thank you.